Hi guys! Today we're gonna do Try Not to Say Wow! Oh my god, it's gonna be so easy. Is it? Maybe. Maybe not. Anyway, let's go! Ooh, it's kinda satisfying. Wow! I saw myself. By the way, I have 3 lives. I almost said straight away. It's so cute! Even though it's not an animal. I am mad. So satisfying. No. Wow. Wowie. So wowie. Sorry guys. If you guys hear ringing. Sorry about that, guys. That was weird. Ah! Okay, that was just so weird. Oh! And they just rode perfectly good shorts. Wasabi's watermelon. Oh, if you zoom in that, that's so nice. Oh. Wow! Wait, no, I said wow! Ah! Please! 2 more laughs. Oh my goodness! Wow! That deserved... I accidentally said it, but it deserved the... Wow. 1 life. 1 life. I bet you guys are a lot better than me. Because it's only been 3 minutes. 2 minutes of the actual video. I feel like I'm going to fail straight away. Wow, those slices are thin. Did I seriously just say wow? Did I just say wow? I have 0 lives. You know what? We're gonna do another video. And this time we're gonna have 2 lives. And it's gonna be a try not to. Be satisfied! Wait, to say wow, actually. Slime edition. Slime videos. go. Oh! Guaymas. Ew. That's disgusting. Oh my goodness! What was that? Ooh. Delicious. Oh, that's enough slime for a whole city. Not this one. The last one before this one. Ah! Ah! Help! 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 Guys, I fell on the floor. Ah! That was unexpected. That was not a plan. Wow. I only have one life left. Oh. Okay, this is. She mixed them. Oh. That's so nice. That is literally so nice. Oh my goodness. I want to say the W word. Ooh. Wally. Remember, 99% fail. Ugh. That was way too close, guys. I don't think I like that one so much. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm Mario and I like this. Oh my goodness, that sound was so nice. Okay, I am literally making the computer do that so much. Oh my god! Oh, honey. So satisfying. I'm mind blowing. Ah. Okay, I'm being dumb. I'm literally lying on the floor. Oh my goodness! Let's replay that. Okay. That was just OP. Now listen to the sound. What is that? You have to see the full video. You know what? Oh my goodness. How many times does it show us this? That was so mind-blowing. Goodness, this is way too...